Well, whether you like it or not, the cost of your auto insurance is increasing. There will soon be an increase in the fee that drivers pay to cover catastrophic medical injuries. So in this week's Know the Law segment, Attorney Tom Sinus joining us to take a closer look at exactly when it's going up and how much. July 1st, is that right?
That's right. That's the time of year where what we call the MCCA assessment is put into effect, or the new assessment.
Sure.
So what's the MCCA? What are we talking about here? Well, we have in Michigan a mandatory automobile insurance system where everyone has to purchase no fault and liability coverage. When we started this system back in the 70s, there was a special small assessment, at that time was just a couple dollars, to take care of those people who have catastrophic injuries. Those are typically people with severe spinal cord or severe brain injuries. And the idea is that the MCCA, the Michigan Catastrophic Claims Association, reimburses auto insurers once they pay a certain amount of money for the particular victim. Right now, that amount of money is about $545,000. So if someone is seriously injured in a car accident, their insurance company pays that first $545,000 in benefits. After that, the individual still deals with their own insurance company, but the insurance company is reimbursed by the MCCA. We all pay that same MCCA assessment every year on every car. It's gone up, and it's going to go up in July to $192 a vehicle from $170 last year.
22 bucks a vehicle.
Right, and this of course started years ago as just a couple of dollars. And what's the deal here? Well, people have been upset to hear that this assessment is going up every year, and perhaps rightfully so. We don't know exactly how the MCCA sets its rates. The MCCA, the Michigan courts have ruled, is a public body, but the legislature a number of years ago passed a law that said that the MCCA is not subject to the Freedom of Information Act. There was a long litigation, which in full disclosure involved our law firm, long litigation with the MCCA about whether or not they should have to disclose to the public how they set these assessments. And in the end of the day, the courts ruled that the legislature had taken the MCCA out of the Freedom of Information Act laws. So at this point, we don't exactly know how they set the rates, but we know that the rates are going up. So there's discussion, of course, as there has been a lot in Lansing, about no fault, about auto insurance, and I suspect that we'll hear some discussion over the next few weeks, months, about whether there should be what some people are calling transparency with the MCCA, because ultimately is a tax that we all pay.
Sure, we all do pay. We got to run out of time real quick. If it didn't go up, if the claims didn't go up, it wouldn't go, our rate wouldn't go down, it would just maybe freeze for a year or two, correct?
That's right. Although in the past there have been years where people have gotten refunds where the MCCA has lowered the rates. But again, we don't know why or how.
Exactly. Real quick, people need to track you down. Where do they find you?
They can find us in West Michigan, 616-301-3333. Online, www.sinusdramus.com, or an email at info@sinusdramus.com.
Thanks, Tom.
Thanks, Derek.